Today we're making cilantro lime rice, the perfect side dish to go with any entree. Let's get into the recipe. Alright, let's start by sauteing some onions and garlic. Let that go for about 2 minutes. Once that is done, you will go ahead and add some washed basmati rice. Feel free to use any rice of your choice here. Once that is mixed in, we will then follow up with some water and we will season it just a little bit. Today I'll be using some salt, chicken bouillon, black pepper, and some lime zest. If you want to omit the chicken bouillon, feel free to do so. Then we will add some lime juice. I will add a little bit and I will save the rest for when the rice is done. Give that a stir, allow it to come up to a simmer before you sit the lid on. Reduce the heat to the lowest and let it go for about 25 minutes or so. After about 25 minutes, your rice should be perfectly cooked. I like to cover it, remove it from the heat, and let it sit for an extra 10 minutes before fluffing it. So after that 10 minutes, we will add the rest of the lime juice and we will come in with some cilantro. Give everything a real good toss, and that's basically it. Quick, easy, and simple. And this can be paired with any entree. Here you have it, my version of the most delicious cilantro lime rice. I did pair it with some chicken and a salsa, and it was chef's kiss delicious. So give the recipe a try, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching, and as always, enjoy.